Hello and welcome to Art with Shannon. In this Chag Life tutorial we will be making Chag Same'ach Sign. You will need colored paper, pen, pencil, paper and drawing bubble letters of your words. Write out the second word. Take each section and make a pattern within them. These are some simple Zentangle styles. Each style follows simple rules that afterwards make it look 3D. You can use pencil to create shading. And there is your very own Chag Same'ach Sign. Wishing you a Shana Tova Matuka.
Please make sure to like and subscribe and push that bell. I would love to hear from you, so comment down below to let me know what you think. And if you followed along with this video, make sure to send a picture. Be safe, be cool, be creative.